Your goal today is I create common denominators to add fractions. So common denominators, you'll remember common means the same. So I need the same denominator in order to add my fractions. So we just have like 3 simple steps in this. The first step is multiply fractions, both numerator and denominator, by the opposite denominator. Then we're going to add them, and then we're going to circle our answer and celebrate. So we have 1/5 plus 3/4. So if I'm thinking about my first step here, it says multiply fractions, both the numerator and denominator, by the opposite denominator. So my denominator here is 4. So I'm going to multiply 5 times 4. And it's a numerator and denominator, so I also need to do it to the top. Over here, I need to multiply it by 5. So I'm going to do 5 and numerator and denominator. Now I'm going to create my new fractions below so that we can see them. So 1 times 4 is 4. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times 5 is 20. I'm going to add 4 plus 15 is 19 over 20. Circle my answer, celebrate. Okay, that was our first one. Moving on to number 2. Three ninths plus 1/2. Okay, so step 1, multiply fractions, both numerator and denominator, by the opposite denominator. So I need to multiply 3/9 by 2. So times 2 times 2. And I need to multiply 1/2 times 9 times 9 times 9. So my new numbers, my new fractions. 3 times 2 is 6. 9 times 2 is 18. Plus 9 times 1 is 9. 2 times 9 is 18. I now have common denominators. Ding, ding, ding. I'm winning. Now we need to add them. 6 plus 9 is 15. And then our bottom stays the same. So 15, 18, circle it and celebrate. Alrighty. We now have 1/10 plus 3/4. So my first step, multiply fractions, both numerator and denominator, by the opposite denominator. So this is going to be times 10 and times 10. And this is going to be, my denominator is 4 times 4 times 4. My new fractions, 1 times 4 is 4, 10 times 4 is 40, plus 3 times 10 is 30, and 4 times 10 is 40. So I know I did this right because both of my denominators are the same number. So now I just need to add 4 plus 30, and 4 plus 30 is 34, and my denominator stays the same. So this is just a few more examples of what we have been doing this week. So if we multiply our fraction over here times the opposite denominator, and then over here also multiply our fraction over here by the opposite denominator, we end up with a common denominator. We end up with the same number as our denominator, and then we're able to add them that way. So this is just a quick, easy way to create common denominators so that we can add our fractions. So good luck as you continue on your journey with fractions, and I look forward to seeing the rest of your work this week.